Once upon a time, in a land where summer and winter were always fighting, Elsa, the Snow Queen, and Raya, the brave warrior, set out on a quest. They had heard of a legendary ice dragon that could bring balance to the seasons. But the dragon was hidden deep in the mountains, and no one knew if it was real. Elsa and Raya traveled far and wide. Elsa used her ice magic to build bridges over rivers, and Raya used her skills to fight off wild creatures. After many days, they reached the coldest mountain of all, Frost Peak. At the top of the mountain, they found a cave. Inside, the ice sparkled like diamonds, and in the center lay a giant, sleeping dragon. Its scales were as white as snow, and its eyes, when it opened them, glowed like the moon. "Are you the ice dragon?" Elsa asked. The dragon nodded. "I am. Why have you come?" "The seasons are out of balance," Raya explained. "Winter is too long and summer is too hot. We need your help." The dragon sighed. "My magic is not meant to change the seasons. It is meant to teach harmony. You must understand that winter and summer are both important." Elsa and Raya looked at each other, confused. "How can we bring balance without magic?" Elsa asked. The dragon smiled. "You must work together. Elsa, your ice is strong, but too much can freeze the land. Raya, your fire is powerful, but too much can burn it. If you learn to use them together, the seasons will balance on their own." Elsa and Raya thought about this. They realized that balance was not about controlling the seasons, it was about understanding and respecting both cold and heat. As they left the mountain, Elsa and Raya used their powers together. Elsa cooled the land when it got too hot, and Raya warmed it when it got too cold. Slowly, the land began to heal. Flowers bloomed, rivers flowed, and the people were happy. The ice dragon watched from the mountain, proud of them. Balance was restored, not by magic alone, but by working together and understanding nature's ways. And so, Elsa and Raya became the guardians of balance, making sure winter and summer lived in harmony forever.